Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we have a delicious and unique recipe for you. Homemade tomato jam. If you've never tried tomato jam before, you're in for a treat. It's the perfect combination of sweet and savory. And it's a fantastic way to use up those extra tomatoes from your garden. So, let's dive into this easy and mouth-watering tomato jam recipe. Prep the tomatoes. The first step is to prepare our tomatoes. Wash them thoroughly and remove the cores. We're using pounds of ripe tomatoes for this recipe. Chop and cook. Now, chop the tomatoes into small pieces. In a large pot, combine the chopped tomatoes, cups of sugar, tablespoons of lemon juice, teaspoons of grated ginger, teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of cloves. Bring to a boil. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer. Simmer to perfection. Let it simmer for about 45-60 minutes or until the mixture thickens to a jam-like consistency. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Check for consistency. To check if it's ready, place a small amount on a cold plate. If it wrinkles and holds its shape, it's good to go. Jar and store. Now that our tomato jam is ready, carefully ladle it into clean, sterilized jars. Seal them tightly and let them cool to room temperature. Once cooled, store them in the refrigerator. Time for the best part, the taste test. I love to enjoy this tomato jam on toast, with cheese, or even as a glaze for grilled chicken. It's so versatile. And there you have it, homemade tomato jam. A delicious way to preserve the flavors of summer. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tasty ideas. And hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.